Keeping your website up to date and user-friendly is no easy task. It may even still be on your to-do list, even though it is critical for your business and online reputation. Don't let the difficulty of managing your website keep you from excelling to the next level. Pani Digital Services, LLC takes all the hard work out of running your business website as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Our site migration and content changes are straightforward and hassle-free, and our daily backups and security monitoring can give you the peace of mind you deserve. Take advantage of our custom development to get the right features and design that fit your brand and style. Our expert support team are here to answer any questions or problems you may encounter. You can hire us for a single issue, or you can subscribe to our monthly plan with no long-term commitment, no contracts, and you can cancel anytime. Get reliable website management with Pani Digital Services, LLC. Contact us today at 301-478-7264 or visit www.pinydigital.com to learn more.